Hello children, welcome back. Now it's time to see whether you have really understood and learned the table of 2. Now here, see Bunty and Bubbly are standing with their hands raised even before I asked any question. So first of all, I need to tell you the rules of the class. Whenever teacher wants to ask a question, and you want to answer that question, you are going to raise your silent hand. You are not going to say miss, me. Not like that. You're simply going to raise your hands just like my darling Bunty and Bubbly are doing right now. Okay. Now Bunty and Bubbly, I have written down the table of 2 over here in some random order. Not like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Not in the sequence. I have written it anyhow. See, here is 2 6 are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are. So it is in a random order. In any order. It is not in the right order. Now that you have learned the table of 2, you can say the table of 2 or you know how to make the table of 2, you will be able to answer these tables even randomly. This is called dodging table. Okay. So here we are going to do dodging table with Bunty and Bubbly. Now Bunty, I will give you the first chance. The first question says 2 6 are. Now how much is 2 6 are? Miss, let me think. Okay. Think for some time. Can I say the table of 2? Of course, you can say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. Yes, 2 6 are 12. You got it right, Bunty. Very good. 2 6 are 12. Now, Bubbly, the next question is 2 twos are. Can you tell me what are 2 twos are? Please, can I do it with Rajmas? Of course, you can do it with Rajmas. For doing it with Rajmas, we have to put 2 times. Will you please help me do it, Miss? Of course. I am going to put the Rajmas as many times as you ask me to do. Miss, please put the Rajma 2 times. Okay. 1 time and 2 times. So, here we have put Rajmas 2 times. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Rajmas with us. So, 2 twos are 4. Very good, Bubbly. So, I'm going to write 4 for you here. 2 twos are 4. Similarly, we are going to do 2 fours are. Again, either we can say the table of 2 or we can use any objects like Rajma or gems to make it 2 fours are. What we have to do? We have to put 4. We have to put a group of 2 4 times. Let us see by putting the group of 2 4 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times and 4 times. So we put 2 to 4 times. How much did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 fours are 8. Now let us check our answer. Say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Yes, 2 fours are 8. We got it right. Now the next one is 2 eights are. Let us see how can we do 2 eights are. Bunty, do you want to do it with Rajmas or you want to do it with counting the table? I want to do it with gems. Okay, naughty one. You can do it with gems. So how many times will I put 2's when I am counting 2 eights are? You will put 2's 8 times. Okay, let us put 2 8 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and 8 times. Now let us count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now it shows that 2 eights is 16. Is it right, Bunty? Miss, I am going to say the table of 2 and check. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Yes, miss, you are right. 2 eights is 16. Very good, Bunty. You have learned the table very quickly. We are going to write 2 eights are 16. So, children, as you can see, we can write the tables as dodging tables and also as clear tables, direct tables. Okay. So in the next video, I am going to show you how to write these tables on the notebook. See you later.